Hi friends, today we're going to read about plants we eat and how they grow by Carrie Cornell. The author is Carrie Cornell and the title is Plants We Eat and How They Grow. Hey, what's that on the cover there? That looks like tomatoes! Some of you might have said apples. Remember, apples grow on a tree. Tomatoes grow on a vine. Those are tomatoes. Plants we eat and how they grow. Think about what you ate for dinner last night. Did you have any plants? Oh, I see a question mark. They're asking you a question. We eat many different parts of a plant. We eat the roots, stems, leaves, flowers, seeds, and fruits of some plants. What part of a plant did you eat? Oh, another question mark. They're asking us a question. I wonder what you ate for dinner last night. Did you eat any flowers, seeds, fruits, stems, roots, leaves? You might be surprised that you did. Roots. We eat roots. Carrots sprout from the seed planted in the moist soil. Above ground we see tiny green leaves, but we eat the roots of the carrot that grow underneath. We wash away the dirt, peel and slice the carrots, and eat them. Sometimes we cook them. Do you remember in class when we ate carrots and we get to dip them in ranch and Miss Kristen would say, "Let me hear your crunch," and we crunch our carrots really loud? We were eating a root. Beets are another plant we eat. We can eat the best leaves that grow above the soil, and we can eat the roots that grow underground. When beets are ready to pick, the red root tops push above the surface of the soil. We clean the leaves and the roots of beet plants. We eat the leaves in salads. We boil beet roots or bake them in the oven before we eat them. Yeah, and those are called beets. And not many people like them. They're very healthy for you, though. Ooh, I see some asparagus. This is stems. We also eat the stems of plants. Asparagus plants have sturdy green stems. The plants need lots of water. When the stems are tall and thick, we cut them from the plant. Asparagus can be grilled or cooked on the stove. It's delicious cut up with scrambled eggs or eaten with butter or garlic dipping sauce. Miss Kristen likes asparagus, and I put mine in the oven with some olive oil and some garlic seasoning. And I bake it in the oven, and it is delicious. Leaves. We eat the leaves of many plants. Spinach grows quickly in moist soil. It means kind of wet. When the leaves are the size of your hand, they cut them off at the bottom of the plant. Spinach leaves can be eaten raw, dipped in a dressing, or cooked in oil with salt and pepper for a tasty treat. Oh, so a lot of people eat spinach leaves in their salad. Yeah, I love salad. It's very healthy for you. Flowers. We eat the roots, stems, and leaves of plants. But did you know that we sometimes eat the flowers too? Look, and I see a question mark. They're asking us a question. Broccoli is a flower that we eat. It grows from seeds and has thick stems. But the flowers are what people love to eat. And those are called, I think, broccoli florets. And those are the flowers. And broccoli is super yummy with some melted cheese on it. Yummy. Broccoli flowers look like little tiny trees. Oh, we said that in class. We got this for lunch some days, didn't we? And Miss Kristen said, "Eat your trees." Some people eat them dipped in ranch dressing. Ooh, that's yummy. Broccoli flowers are also tasty when cooked with water and sprinkled with salt and pepper, or some cheese. Seeds. We even eat the seeds of some plants. Sunflowers grow on tall, strong stems in gardens and farm fields. The center of a sunflower is sometimes as big as a dinner plate. Yeah, sunflowers get huge. They can grow taller than Miss Kristen and maybe taller even taller than your parents. They grow really tall stems and huge leaves. Birds love to peck out the seeds in the center of a sunflower bloom. People like them too. We dry the seeds in the oven and sprinkle them with a little salt. Then we remove the tough outer husk before eating the tender seeds inside. So we can eat sunflower seeds. Sweet corn is actually a seed too. The corn plant is a type of grass, and the corn kernels are the seeds. Sometimes we cook the corn and we dip it in butter and bite the kernels right off the cob. Other times, the corn kernels have been cut off the cob, cooked in water, and flavored with a little salt and pepper. Popcorn is made from dried corn kernels that are heated until they pop open, so fluffy and white. So if you guys like popcorn, guess what? You're eating a seed. It's just been dried. You're eating dried corn kernels that pop when they get hot in the microwave, usually, or with a popcorn maker. So I love corn on the cob. Do you guys like corn on the cob? It's so delicious. Fruit. Of course, you know that we eat the fruits of plants. We eat so many fruits. Think of the apples and the strawberries and tomatoes. That's right, tomatoes are a fruit. There are many fruits we eat that we call vegetables because of how we typically eat them with things that aren't sweet, like meat or in a dish such as pizza. And ketchup is made from tomatoes. So if you like to dip your French fries or chicken nuggets in ketchup, you are eating a fruit because tomatoes are made from ketchup. Fruits are the parts of plants that hold the seeds. Without fruits, new apple trees, tomato plants, and strawberry plants could not grow. To grow a new tomato plant, a tomato seed is taken from the fruit, dried, and then planted in the soil. Seeds can be planted in the ground or in soil in a pot or even a bag. To grow into a healthy plant, tomatoes, like all plants, need, what do they need to grow? Ready? Tell me. They need Mr. Sun, sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. They need the sun. Uh-oh, look out. Here comes I'm going to spray you. Here comes the water. And they need air. And they need soil, the dirt, right? After the seed is planted, the sun warms the seed and the water softens it. Both of these are needed to help the seed sprout. The sprouted seed becomes a tomato plant, and after many weeks, a flower buds and blooms. The flower is where the tomato fruit will grow. I'm not a big fan of tomatoes. Do you guys like tomatoes? Tomatoes come in a huge range of colors, including green, orange, purple, and red. Some full-grown tomatoes are small like a cherry or a grape, perfect for 1 or 2 bites. Other tomatoes start out small and grow to be larger than your fist. The next time you eat a tomato or a cucumber or anything with seeds, remember it's the fruit of the plant. In most fruits, the seeds grow inside, but strawberries have their seeds on the outside. Look closely and you can see them. Strawberries are easy to eat. Simply wash them, remove the stem, and take a bite. Strawberries also taste good sliced over yogurt or mashed up and used to make ice cream. Yummy! That's one of Miss Kristen's favorite fruit is strawberries. Look at, we eat the seeds, but they don't hurt us. Strawberries are very healthy for you too. Think of your favorite food that comes from a plant. Is it a root, stem, leaf, flower, seed, or fruit? And how do you know? Here are some of the plants that we eat. Apples, that's a fruit. Artichoke is a flower. Asparagus is a stem. Avocado is a fruit. Beans are a seed. A beet is root and leaves. Broccoli is flower and stem. Cabbage are leaves. A carrot is a root. Cauliflower is a flower and stem. Celery is a leaf stalk. Corn is a seed. Cucumber is a fruit. Eggplant is a fruit. Green onions are a stem and a root. Green pepper is a fruit. A leek is a stem and a root. Lettuce are leaves. Parsnip is a root. Peaches are fruit. Pears are fruit. Peas are a seed. Potatoes are a root. Pumpkin is a fruit. Radish is a root. Rhubarb are leaves. Swiss chard are stem and leaves. Sunflowers are seeds. Tomatoes are a fruit. And turnip is a root. Whew! So we could eat a lot of plants. That's a long list. And wow, look at all those fruits and vegetables. All those grew with a little tiny seed in the dirt. Look at all that. I see a watermelon and cauliflower and lemons and oranges and grapefruits and plums and bananas and grapes, star fruit. Wow, all kinds of yummy food. So that's how we get a lot of our fruits and vegetables would be from a garden, right? All right, hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.